Today let's talk about the Moto Modular Pack. This is first generation and this is second generation. What's the difference between them? Let's have a look. About the size. The first generation got 10 liters, 20 liters and 50 liters. For the second generation, it comes with 8 liters, 15 liters and 50 liters. The first generation got a waterproof inner bag. The outer material is tough but not waterproof. The second generation actually is waterproof, very tough and waterproof. Also, it has an inner bag smaller for your iPad, for your cell phone or smaller belongings. This is the first point. So for the second point is the bag. The protection material very tough and very good quality to protect your belongings. But the first generation, nothing. You can see broken already. Nothing to protect your belongings. The third one is the design. For the second generation, you fix your bag like that. The first generation, more easier. You tie your bag like that. Right. There's a difference. And for the strap, the first generation, sometimes people say they will lose the strap because they tied like that. Right. So it's very easy to lose during your motor trip. But if you tie like this, you will never lose. The second generation, it's better. You can hook here. You can do like that. Easier than first generation, isn't it? And you think it's moto pack. Actually it's a backpack, both for the first generation and second generation. This for the first generation. And you turn it into a backpack. Right. The second generation, very, very good quality. You turn it into the backpack too. It's very good for enduro dirt bike trip. You can fix anywhere on your bike. You can use it as a backpack.